Greetings, everybody. This is Love.
And this is Peace.
And today we're back with our number 3 superfood,
Dark Leafy Greens. Yes, indeed. You may have heard about this superfood powerhouse and how kale, spinach, and other leafy greens are highly recommended for their health benefits. But do you actually know why they're good for you?
You know what? Let's talk about that. First things first, dark leafy greens, they help support optimal brain functioning. And a recent study published in Neurology found that those who ate the most dark leafy greens each day had slower rates of cognitive decline compared to those who ate less. In fact, they had memory equivalent of someone 11 years younger.
I want to be 11 years younger, so I'm going to go and get some kale after this video.
Oh, yeah.
But I want to tell you something else about dark leafy greens. Did you know that they fight belly bloating?
No, I didn't know. But how does it do that?
Because they contain potassium.
But how does potassium help with bloating?
I'm glad you asked that, and I can answer it. Let me break it down. Potassium is a mineral and electrolyte found in abundance in greens. So it is essential to keep an optimal fluid balance in your body. A diet high in sodium, which is junk food, McDonald's, and all that other processed stuff, can trigger or worsen bloating and must be kept in check by adequate potassium intake, roughly 4,700 milligrams a day. The good news is that a cup of spinach contains a whopping 840 milligrams of potassium, which is already 20% of your daily recommended intake.
Wow. Well, I know the other day we talked about our skin glowing from the steam sauna, but did you know that dark leafy greens can do the same thing?
I did not, but I do know that something called beta carotene, which is the plant pigment that we normally associate with carrots and other yellow-orange veggies, is also hiding in leafy greens. Thinking of the leaves changing color in the fall, not in South Florida though. As they lose chlorophyll, the pigment that makes them green, you can see the red, orange, and yellow pigments those leaves contain underneath. Not in South Florida though. It's these vibrant colors that are responsible for the amazing health benefits of leafy greens that you'll never see in South Florida.
Beta carotene can give your skin a youthful glow and even work from the inside out as a natural sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the harmful UV rays, kale is one of the top sources of beta carotene, and research shows that cooking, juicing, or dehydrating greens helps your body absorb the carotenoids.
That's a funny word. Man, these words be ridiculous. Golly. Well, did you know that dark leafy greens help to relieve stress from that word we just read? For a natural way to relieve your stress, start every day with a big green smoothie. Leafy greens are an excellent source of folate, which help your body produce mood-regulating neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. Plus, the magnesium found in green leafy vegetables can help support optimal vascular health.
Wow, so you got to get those bones strong because dark leafy greens have plenty of vitamin K and calcium, which are essential for building and maintaining bone health.
Did you know that also they support healthy aging? Well, are you looking to age healthfully? I mean, who isn't? I am. I'm trying to get young, so I'm going to have some greens because they have the power to delay shortening of telomeres. What is a telomere? It is the protective caps on our DNA that shorten with age. Once its telomeres are completely gone, we're gone. The cell dies. Broccoli sprouts in particular seem to have a superb ability to preserve telomere length.
Oh, wow. And it improves the inflammatory response. In order to protect yourself from a battery of chronic illnesses, leafy greens contains antioxidants, polyphenol's, the disease-fighting compound that's found in plant foods.
They also help to balance sugars for people who are experiencing diabetes or any other type of blood sugar disorders. Eating a serving of leafy greens with every meal can support appropriate blood glucose levels. Even just including a little over 1 extra serving of greens daily can make a huge difference.
Wow.
Not to mention, if you have a thyroid condition, dramatic swings in blood sugar, encourage your body to convert more T4 to reverse T3, which is the inactive form of the thyroid hormone.
Ooh, that thyroid health. Ooh, black people listen. Support optimal gut health because if you struggle with leaky gut or food sensitivities or autoimmunity, If so, you need to get more greens into your diet, and it could help. Because a recently discovered gene known as T-BET that gets switched on by the cruciferous veggies, such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, instructs the precursor cells in your intestinal lining to produce lymphoid cells. Those cells protect your body against gut infections, inflammations, control food allergies, and intolerance. It also supports a healthy immune response. Also seals the leaks in your gut. They also protect your body from bad bacteria, while the fibrous greens in your body creates good bacteria. Making leafy greens all around is a great choice. By adding it, it will help with any gastrointestinal diseases.
It also tames the toxins in your body. Greens are expert detoxifiers thanks to the chlorophyll, which is the pigment that makes the greens green. Chlorophyll-rich foods such as spirulina, chlorella, parsley, and alfalfa bind to heavy metals and toxins in your body and carry them out of your body. And chlorophyll also helps to cleanse your liver, which supports your body's natural ability to detox and supports the immune function, keeping these toxins from collecting in your body in the first place.
Wow, it boosts digestive enzymes also. As I always say, you aren't what you eat, you are what you digest and absorb. So digestive enzymes are critical for breaking down and absorbing the nutrients from our blood. So if you're deficient in these enzymes, you're likely to experience all sorts of gastrointestinal issues, including the bloating, the constipation, reflux, and also like nutrient deficiencies. So leaky gut is one of the biggest culprits of enzyme deficiencies, as well as inflammation from food sensitivities, chronic stress, genetics, and aging. Raw leafy greens are one of the best superfoods you can eat to support the body's natural ability to produce those digestive enzymes.
It also supports your immune system. One of the most promising benefits of greens may be their ability to support your immune system. Greens such as moringa leaf can support a healthy response to oxidative damage. Studies specifically tout the benefits of cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, arugula, and kale.
Well, there you have it. As you see, leafy greens are a powerhouse. Make sure that you implement these into your daily diet through salads, smoothies, and many other ways.
And make sure you also subscribe to our YouTube, or we coming for you. And visit our website at loveandpeacewellness.com. And as always,
Love
peace
and wellness.